Merry Christmas Eve, you guys. So this is the last 4 of our Christmas giveaway, and we are on day number 9. It's time to reveal the last 4 for this week. It's been super fun, great for commenting, great for participating. Great. Thanks for participating. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. So for day number 9 is the Clinique Fragrance Set. You get the Gelato Happy, those are happy fragrances, and these were the berry, the lip balm, and the hand cream. And this goes to Audrey Ogletree. I'm so excited that you won. Congratulations. Make sure you DM me either on Facebook or Instagram so we can get the info and get these out to you. Merry Christmas. Day number 10 was the I Slay Morphe Brush Set. And the winner is Urza Scarlett. Congratulations, you are the winner of the brush set. Day number 11. That is Smashbox, their Contour Spotlight Holiday Palette. And the winner for this one is Judy Bear. Congratulations. It's been super fun. I'm so glad that you won that. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you, Urza, too. I didn't forget you. I just didn't say it. Now, last but not least, this was the Lancome. You get the Mini La Vie Belle and the Drama Matte lipstick. And this one goes to Jen Cash. I think you commented, what did she comment? Make me a believer? Make me, oh, I'm trying to remember. Well, the Lancome gods heard your words and now make me fall in love? Maybe that was it. I can't remember, it's driving me crazy. Anyways, Jen, you are the winner. Merry Christmas to you. That is our final giveaways for this 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Again, you guys, it's been awesome. Love it. I have a box full of all of these to send out to you. I'm sorry I have not gotten them out. Our post office broke down here, or not broke down, but like some major leak, so they've shut down. I've been working. I do have a family and a husband, and it's just been kind of crazy. So I promise I will get them out to you. They are all packaged, ready to go. I just have to get these 4 in their little packages, and we'll get them off to you. Make sure that you send me your info, the winners. Send me your info either through Instagram or Facebook. I will see you this next week. I've got some good things coming your way. Take care. Bye-bye.